Hello, very good evening to all of you. So welcome to my channel Inspire Pharma. In my this video, I am going to represent the important question of B.pharmacy instrumental method of analysis 7th semester unit 2. So I am going to discuss what are the various short important questions that can come from this unit. Basically, second unit is all about the IR spectroscopy. It is all about the atomic absorption spectroscopy and flame photometry. So one by one, we will discuss a short important question of each topic. So we will start without any kind of delay. So let's start. So first analytical technique of the second unit is IR spectroscopy. So what are the important questions that can come from this unit or this particular topic? First is write down the principle involved in the IR spectroscopy. So maybe the examiner can ask that what is the principle that is involved in this particular analytical technique. Next question, which can be very important, that is difference between the bending and stretching vibrations in IR spectroscopy. In IR spectroscopy, in IR analytical technique, what is various type of vibrations occur? So what is difference between the bending type of vibrations and stretching type of vibrations? This is a very important question. Define Mueller agents, give it some examples. This is also very important question. Next is name the various factors affecting the vibrations in IR spectroscopy. I already in the second question is bending and stretching vibration. What is the difference? Now fourth question is what are the factors which affect the vibrations in the IR spectroscopy? This is very important question. Next question is also very important, that is name the various sources of radiations and detectors which are used in IR spectroscopy. In IR spectroscopy, there are number of radiation sources and there are number of detectors which are utilized. So question is what are the various radiation sources and what are the various detectors which are utilized in IR spectroscopy technique. Next question, which can also be very important, that is define FTIR, that is Fourier transform IR spectroscopy. So these are the 6 important questions which can come in exam from this particular unit. But that is principle of IR spectroscopy, difference between the bending and stretching vibrations, define Mueller agents, factors affecting IR spectroscopy, radiation sources and detector which are used in IR spectroscopy, and define FTIR. So these are the 6 important questions which can come from this particular unit. Next, coming to the flame photometric technique. So flame photometric technique is also very important. Let's discuss the important question of this particular technique. First question, that is define flame photometry. This is very important question. Again, the principle involved in the flame photometry technique. Any analytical technique that in 2 marks question, the principle is very important. In the 2 marks, the principle can come. Next question, write Bohr equation and Boltzmann equation. From these 2 equations, any one equation can come in the exam, but Bohr equation is more important as compared to Boltzmann equation. Next question, name the various fuel and oxidants which are used in flame photometry technique. In the flame photometric methods, what are the different fuels and what are the different oxidants which are used in flame photometric analytical technique? Next question is also very important, that name the various detectors which are used in flame photometric technique. In the flame photometric analytical technique, give the examples of various types of detector which are used. Next question, define cation and cation-anion interferences which are used in the flame photometry techniques. In the case of flame photometry techniques, there are number of interferences, and one of the type of interferences are cation and cation-anion. So they can ask the difference, or they can also ask define cation interferences or define cation-anion interferences. Last topic from this unit is atomic absorption spectroscopy. So from this atomic absorption spectroscopy, the 2 questions can come in the exam, that is write down the principle of atomic absorption spectroscopy and write down the radiation sources and detectors which are used in atomic absorption spectroscopy. So these are the list of important 2 marks important question which can come from the B.pharmacy second unit 7th semester instrumental method of analysis. It is all about the IR spectroscopy, flame photometry and atomic absorption spectroscopy. I hope my this video will be as much useful as like my other videos. To watch such more knowledgeable and more useful video, please subscribe to my official YouTube channel Inspire Pharma for the latest notifications and the latest updates. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड अनदर यूजफुल कंटेंट के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.